This is David Taz Joseph of Team On Target Customs. Today we're going to be reviewing the Exalt rotor Feedgate. We're going to install it into the rotor, and then also this will be an ongoing review testing out how it performs against other feed gates. We're going to take our 3/32 Allen key and take out the 5 screws. I have already removed the existing lid. If you have any questions, you can email us at teamontargetpb@yahoo.com. We'll answer any questions you may have. We're going to remove these 5 screws. Okay, now that we have that removed, this piece pops out. We're going to take the feed gate, and you'll see little grooves on here. We're going to line up the holes with those grooves. You'll also see 2 little indentations. They go down at the bottom here. Put our lid back on. You don't want to put these screws in too tightly. As I said before, this is going to be an ongoing review. We're going to be testing this on the field. Okay, this is what it looks like installed on the rotor. Hope you enjoy our video.